Hi, I'm Tyler with Virnig. Today we're going to discuss why this is the best broom in the industry. If you're looking for a premium broom designed to perform and built to last, then check out Virnig. Our brooms use direct drive Eaton motors, which offer superior performance and longevity. Our motor is also bidirectional, which allows you to sweep in either direction. Other motors are completely exposed on the outside of the frame and may not be guarded. Our motor is recessed into the frame about 4 inches, which makes it less likely to run into obstructions. The motor is also guarded where it matters with 1/4-inch steel. The main wear point is the bottom, so you can sweep as close to curbs as possible without worrying about damaging the motor. The pressure relief valves are easy to access since they're located here. These valves help provide some cushion in the hydraulic system for when operators are constantly switching the rotation of the wafers. They prevent seals and other components from getting damaged. Our broom features a 2-inch diameter bearing built to withstand heavy use. It's bigger than most others in the market, and you're going to get a lot more production out of it versus other smaller bearings. Our brooms use a bucket compared to our heavily built V50 series dirt bucket. There's a weld-on edge as well as a bolt-on edge to double its life. Others will use a lightweight bucket built with lower grade steel. A strong hinge design is essential because operators will need to dump the bucket hundreds of times. When dumping, these hard stops will hit the formed edge on top of the bucket, which is much stronger than competitor brooms designs where the impact will go to the hood instead of the bucket. A common issue we see with other brooms is they use a bolt and nut to set the hood height. They're a huge pain because they may strip or seize up over time. They're difficult to adjust evenly on both sides, and you need tools to adjust them in the field. Our pin adjustment system saves time by allowing the operator to quickly set hood height up or down depending on the bristle engagement you're looking for with your sweep. The broom is equipped with alternating poly and wire wafers, which are the best all-around option for most jobs. The wire is used to cut through debris, and the poly is used to lift the material. Replacing wafers is easy. Remove these 4 bolts and pull out the motor assembly here, and then the bearing on the other side to free the bristle core from the hood. If you have a question, please post it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for new Virnig videos.